Welcome back again to my channel. For those of you that have joined the family, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And if you have not yet joined the family, go ahead to join the family by subscribing and turning on your bell notification so that when I upload a video, you will not miss it. So guys, today's video, I'm going to be doing a challenge by leaving flaxseed gel on my hair for almost 24 hours. So guys, this is my first time using flaxseed gel. I've heard a lot about flaxseed and how beneficial it is to your natural hair. My natural hair is almost 2 years, guys. We are going to be almost 2 years soon, and I have never tried flaxseed gel on my natural hair. So I went ahead to search about the benefits and I bought flaxseed gel, and we are going to be using my hair as an experiment for this flaxseed gel, guys. I'm going to be leaving my flaxseed gel on my hair. I'll be leaving it on my hair, using it as a detangler and also a pre-poo. I'm going to be making a lot of badge because I'm using it to detangle my hair and leaving it on my hair for 24 hours, almost 24 hours, guys. So this is the preparation of the flaxseed gel, which you guys just watch. It is very easy and simple to make your flaxseed gel. Just go ahead to boil it up and then strain it, and I will be adding in my grapeseed oil. So this is what my hair looks like, and we are done making our flaxseed gel. If you did not see the video properly, go ahead to scroll back to watch it properly to see how I made the flaxseed gel. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It looks really dry, and yeah, my hair is really dry, and I need to detangle my hair. So if you want to see how I apply the flaxseed gel, what my hair feel like after applying it, what my hair looks like after washing it out, the process and everything, then keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and watch this video to the end so that you will see what the flaxseed gel is and what it does to my hair, guys. So stay tuned and don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that when I upload a video you will not miss it, guys. So right here I'm spraying my hair with water, just water only. So then I'll go ahead to apply the flaxseed gel on my hair.
This could be good for me.
Should I continue?
When you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days.
So I'm going to go ahead to detangle my hair, starting from the tip and then working my way up. Wow, guys, this is unbelievable. Can you guys see this? Wow. So I'm just going to detangle section by section and then twist it. I'm loving this already. Wow. So let me detangle more. As you guys can see, the detangling process is so easy. Like, I can detangle my hair so easily right now. Like, this is what I got from this. It is not that bad, guys, compared to if I should have combed it through when it was that dry. I would have used a lot of hair, guys. So this is so great. This is so good and it feels so great, guys. Oh wow, I'm loving this. So I'm just going to finish up with all of this and show you guys what my hair looks like. Wow, guys, I am so impressed with this. Like, can you guys see?
How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind?
soft right now. Can you guys see the sleep? Like this is so great, and this is so good and natural, and you can use this to detangle your hair as a detangler. Now I am going to apply the remaining one as a quick pull of my hair because it is still in my bowl, as you guys can see. So so guys, this is how much hair I got to lose, just this guys, compared to what I normally lose. This is great guys. So guys, let me show you guys the back of my hair. So guys, this is the back of my hair, and I'm done applying this. I'm going to go ahead to cover my hair with a plastic bag and leave it for 24 hours, but mine was not up to 24 hours. I went ahead to leave it for about, I think, 10 or 11 hours or so. So guys, flaxseed gel contains vitamin B, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acid, magnesium, which help to treat the scalp, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. So guys, it is time to wash out the flaxseed gel. As you guys can see, my hair was super soft. The coiliness was amazing, like my coils was bouncy. And this is it guys, after a lot of hours. And I'm going to first of all go ahead to rinse this out. As you guys can see, my coils are popping, and it smells, the smell is not really that bad. It smells like almond, something like oatmeal and almond or so. So guys, this was what my hair looks like after removing my, I was feeling a lot of heat guys because of the weather guys. I was feeling hot, so I'm going to be washing my hair with Cantu, and then also conditioning my hair. First of all, I will be rinsing out the flaxseed gel on my hair. After rinsing it out guys, my hair was super soft and it feels bouncy, as you guys can see, and my coils, there were still coils in my hair guys. So I went ahead to shampoo my hair, and then I focused on my scalp because I don't want any build up on my hair. So I went ahead to rinse it out, and then I'm going to be conditioning my hair, and then detangling my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is still bouncy, and after washing out the flaxseed gel on my hair, I saw that my coils was still popping guys. Like this is so amazing, my hair feels so good. I hope you guys try this out. If you have not yet considered using flaxseed on your hair, go ahead and use it as a detangler guys. It is going to detangle your hair very well, and if you are looking for that coily, if your hair is coily, you can go ahead to apply this, because as you guys can see, the coils was still popping guys. So after washing and conditioning my hair, I'll go ahead to moisturize and put it on a protective style. After some days, my hair feels so good, and this is what my hair looks like after a week of removing it from my protective style. My hair was still looking good and bouncy and well moisturized guys, and really it was really soft and more manageable guys. I hope you all enjoyed this challenge, and I hope you guys find this video interesting and helpful guys. Thank you for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead to subscribe and join this family. Okay, like this video, share this video, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye and stay blessed.